Hello and good afternoon or good evening, whatever time it is that you will be watching this. This video is me trying to make this thing. Yung bagay na iniyakan ko the other day. Now I shall be constructing it. So I'm here in my little corner. We have my plants, our books, our stuffed toy named Avocado, Caitlin's mga anik-anik ni Caitlin, and also another one of my plants. This is our little fun creative corner. This is a gift from Sorby and Riza. Thank you, Sorby and Riza, so much. This is from MINISO, and I believe, I haven't researched, but it's, I don't know, it has National Geographic on it. Probably in partnership with National Geographic, who the fuck knows. But it's a 3D puzzle of a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Everybody knows what the fuck a Tyrannosaurus Rex is, the T-Rex. So here I am unboxing this thing. I'm actually having trouble with the plastic, but look at how many layers this shit has got. The hell? Bruh. Anyway, this will be a video of me trying to make this. So probably the rest of the video is just gonna be time lapse or a montage or some type shit. Because I know this is gonna take a while. But I'm gonna have fun with it. Let's go! Oh! So this thing, it has copyright by National Geographic. And also, I just figured it out. This is 4 slabs of cardboard. And they each have like little numbers on them. Is it showing? Each little numbers on them. And they mean to say which page it is. And the packaging says, no gluing. No tools required, so I'm sitting here just with my hands and my mind to be able to construct this thing. We'll see how it goes. You can fucking open it up pala, lol. I think I assembled it wrong. There's only one small little ridge left, but there's 2 of these pieces. So I think I should have put this one in this ridge right here. So I have to do it all the fuck over again. Fucking. Yeah, that's a much more perfect fit. The easiest little fun fact about the Tyrannosaurus Rex, otherwise colloquially known as the T-Rex, is that its name, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, translates to Tyrant Lizard King. And the reason why the T-Rex was named as such is because the scientists who discovered the T-Rex saw how big the teeth of it were, which to my knowledge is about the size of a banana. So imagine I'm holding a banana right now, and that's just the teeth of the animal. So upon discovery and just looking at the teeth of the animal, they thought that the Tyrannosaurus Rex must have been an apex predator of its time. So they thought it must be some sort of a tyrant king of the dinosaurs. And they used to believe that dinosaurs are lizards, which we now believe that they are reptiles. 2 different things, lizards and reptiles. But they used to believe that dinosaurs were lizards, so they called it the Tyrant Lizard King. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Anyway, yeah, little fun fact. I fucking hate, look at the instructions. It's literally that how to draw an owl meme, gago. Look at the step 1, disassemble the pieces. Step 2, make the fucking dinosaur. Salamat! Maraming salamat! So, after assembling the frame of the dinosaur, which is this, I'm supposed to assemble the jaw of the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Another fun fact about the jaw of the Tyrannosaurus Rex, if you compare the look of the T-Rex as compared to other predators of its time, the T-Rex had a ginormous head, and that was reason enough for a lot of scientists to believe back then that the T-Rex was incapable of running. They thought that the T-Rex was a slow hunter. There used to be theories as well of the Tyrannosaurus Rex being more of a scavenger like a hyena than being a predator like a lion. Partly the reason for that is because the belief used to be that the frame of the dinosaur, this is the head, right? And this is the body. They used to believe that dinosaurs stood upright with their legs like this and their tails dragging along on the floor like a lizard, because they used to believe that dinosaurs were lizards. But now we know much better about their anatomy. We've made better reconstructions of these animals, and we now know in order for the T-Rex to have been, like, to make sense anatomically, the T-Rex had to have had this like streamlined, straight like posture. Its long, thick tail basically allowed it to balance the size of its head. And the size of its head, T-Rex's head is that big because its bite force was so strong. I don't have the numbers off the top of my head, but I believe the T-Rex had one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom, the entire history of life on planet Earth. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up and continue making this. Little dinosaur arms, little T-Rex arms. Fun little fact about T-Rex arms. Old paleo media used to portray dinosaurs as like holding their arms like this, the way that humans would, posturing our arms neutrally. We now believe that more naturally they would have held their hands like this. So if you're trying to mimic a dinosaur, a T-Rex, don't do this. The real life animals would have done this. Which makes sense because this is much better of a posture to like grab things in front of you, to like grab prey, grab fruit, whatever it is that you want to grab, as opposed to having your hands like this, you know? Just makes more sense. Anyway. Whoa! About to consume page 3 out of 8. And this contains the Tyrannosaurus Rex's face. Look at this! Look at
the spine?
Yeah! And this, I've completed the mouth.
Dami pa pa yun.
Yeah! It's so much.
Yours?
Tell me about the tapa. I killed 20 pieces of calamansi to make that. It said kasi like a quarter cup of calamansi juice.
Did you taste it?
Yeah? Yeah, I tasted one piece. I want to know your thoughts. Wow! Dinosaur.
It's a gift from my friend.
What?
Right? Ulit-ulit ka lang. Tapos akin na.
Oh.
It was given to me by my friend. No, no.
Ang OA tang ina, how many times did I talk about that?
You did it twice.
Oh.
And it's
Fun little fact about the eyes of the Tyrannosaurus Rex. The movie Jurassic Park popularized that the T-Rex's vision was based on motion. The character said, "Don't move, it can't see us if we don't move." But we know better now, based on reconstructions of the anatomy of the eye sockets of the Tyrannosaurus Rex, that its vision is actually comparable to that of the modern eagle.
so matalas mata.
Matalas ang mata ng Tyrannosaurus Rex. How's the tapa?
It's a lot better with the suka.
How's the tapa for you, Tim?
Taste-wise is there. It's the tapa.
Mm.
Pero it would have been better kung yung part na kinuha mo is litid.
What's litid?
Di ba yung
Like
laman, tas may halo siyang konting taba.
Oh.
I would have partnered this with kangkong na pickled kangkong.
Oh yeah. Sayang wala tayong ganun right now.
And it doesn't need me.
And it's made for children ages 8 and above.
It is you.
I'm 8 and above. It's a dinosaur.
Looks like a sperm.
Right now, it's a sperm.